My name is Doyle Mosier. I'm the president of the collaborative group, and we're running an initiative called Challenge Detroit. Challenge Detroit is an online reality competition to retain and attract 30 of the best and brightest young professionals from around the country. So they live downtown in a loft. They're going to work for the 30 companies. And for the year in Detroit, they're going to work on team challenges, 5 needs and 5 wants for the region. The collaborative group began about 6 years ago. It was an idea bringing together the best and brightest minds, very diverse group. And the idea was if we could put together best minds in a very diverse group, that we could actually do something impactful for the region, which resulted in the initiative of Challenge Detroit. What Challenge Detroit's about is really taking a very different, maybe 180-degree perspective difference from what typically you hear about the city of Detroit. Most of what we're looking at is young professionals who have entrepreneurial minds within the city and working within the city, talking about the opportunity that the city has, that there's less barriers here, there's more connectivity here, there's more opportunity to make a difference here, that it's really much easier to navigate through because there are fewer barriers. And I think that that was really interesting to the Detroit Impact Group, because I'm not sure that they've heard that perspective before. Well, it was kind of interesting because Detroit Impact actually ended up being like a team challenge. There were 5 young leaders, and what they did is we gave them a project to work on, and basically what it was to compare and contrast Challenge Detroit with the other initiatives that we're running in the region here to help the region. So we put together a matrix, or I should say they put together a matrix showing the comparisons and showing the contrasts. From that, we developed a next set of processes for them, which was to put together a frequently asked question sheet for us that we could put together on Challenge Detroit, knowing not only that we needed to answer questions about the initiative itself, but also answer questions on how it compared and contrasted to these other initiatives. Well, there were a number of really great things to do, or a number of great things that we enjoyed working with them on. First of all, it resembles very much what Challenge Detroit is, which is getting young professionals' perspectives on problem solving or expanding ideas. Certainly you had some of the best and brightest young professionals with Detroit Impact that were doing that. And since we were able to give them a task that resembled a task that maybe one of our team challenges would be, it was really interesting to see how the dynamics would work. And not to be let down, they came up with, we thought, really incredible, really amazing answers. There was a great dialogue between us, Challenge Detroit, and Detroit Impact, from the standpoint of weighing what was important, what was not important, how we should put information together, and how it would become the most relevant for Challenge Detroit and Detroit Impact. Detroit Impact equals productivity.